Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix ElevenLabs unusual activity detected error. First thing first, visit ElevenLabs.io and click on your profile icon and log out of your account. Now if you haven't already, download NordVPN app for your Windows or Android and install it. Now choose a different country or region that your current location, preferred servers is in the UK, US, Germany or Netherlands for best access. Just click connect and wait until VPN is active. When you click connect, wait for the VPN until it's active. Open your web browser settings, then clear cookies and cache data. And then restart your browser. Just revisit ElevenLabs.io and log in again with your credentials. Try using the service normally. If it still doesn't work, switch to another NordVPN server and try incognito or private mode in your browser. Also, disabling temporarily browser extensions like ad blockers or anti-bot tools could help. Using NordVPN helps by masking your IP address, bypassing geo restrictions, avoiding rate limits from your ISP or ElevenLabs. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.